Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to extract the specific range of results, and to do that we will use between new keyword and always in combination with where at the left side. Okay, so that's like a pseudo approach. So new day, a new table, I mean not new table but new select all from that table. Okay, so let's grab everything from this number, like a lower part, to that number. Just imagine that you have here, I don't know, 10,000 of rows, and when we are grabbing range, you will always work with either IDs or serial number of products or even better prices. That is the common case. So where I was? Yeah, select all from friends, and let's go to next line. So where ID, now you don't need to say is between, you just need to say between. That is enough. A lower part, and now don't say middle line, just use keyword and. Okay, so there is no middle line here, minus symbol. Okay, just and, or, and so on. So where I was? Yeah, upper part, for example, this number, and I think that everything will be fine. So there you go. There is a silly situation here where you can use you can use between, but with only one row, and then you will get that row actually. It's a longer way to extract it, but sure, you know, it will work. Why not? So where between 18 and 18, sorry. And there you go, it will work. Now the cool stuff about this command is that you can combine that with not between. For example, when you wanna evade, for example, this range here from 20 to 21. Okay, so select all from friends, where ID not between 20 and 21, for example, and you will get all other options. So just practice for a couple of minutes. This is nothing special here, and remember that you will use between or not between always in combination with where, and that will be the simplest possible scenario. And always work with either IDs or something that looks relatively unique, like prices of different products and so on. Okay, so anyway, 3 minutes, not so long tutorial. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you in next tutorial.